What's that?
A big ocean. What happened, Mama?
Okay, tell the story. Want to tell the story about the monster?
How about this? This one is broken.
No, it's not. It works. Where's the monster?
And there. He trapped. And that boy trapped him.
Uh-oh. What is he gonna do then?
Get out.
How?
He's
You're gonna
crying.
make him a door?
Yeah. I make him a door.
Wow, now he can get out.
He get out.
Mm-hmm.
And the monster say, I'm sorry, I don't mean to scare you. And said, it's okay. I'm going to be friends. And we all slap, help, and call somebody. And call somebody. And call somebody. And say, help, help, we stuck. And say, what's wrong? We stuck with that monster. Help. And we stuck too. And said, whoa, I scare you. And look, it broke. It broke, Mama.
Okay, then you have to sharpen it again. Where's the sharpener?
Here.
There it is.
How we do it, Mama? I need help.
Okay, I will help you.